Starting another set, the clamp, we're modeling three simple parts in this video: the mobile backrest, the handle, and the handle's head. Well, we're going to start with the mobile backrest, all right? So, as usual, we'll open a new part and we're selecting the XY plane. We'll habilitate, then the arc circle, and create a circle on the origin with a radius of 12. We'll habilitate, then the arc circle, and create a circle on the same origin with a radius of 10.48 millimeters. And here's some advice, okay? Pay attention to details because it's a very simple part. However, the sketch can be a bit tricky. Moving right along, we'll select the line tool. And we're drawing a line with an angle of 0 degrees and a distance of 8 millimeters from the center of the circle. Then we're creating another line with an angle of 90 degrees. The measure doesn't really matter, but it needs to go through the circles like this. After that, draw another line, this one with an angle of 180 degrees, going through both circles as well. With our geometry closed, we just need to habilitate line partial erase and erase the lines we don't need. Now we'll use the revolution tool, using the rotation axis and the profile of our part. To finish our part, we just need to alter the part's material to carbon steel. And that's it. Now let's move on to our second part of the clamp, right? The handle. Opening a new part, we'll start with the multiple lines command on the origin. We're modeling half of its profile and we'll revolute it later. It'll have 72 millimeters of length, 5 millimeters of diameter, and its radius will be 2.5 millimeters. Then a length of 8 millimeters, and we'll follow the geometry until its end. When we finish this geometry, finish sketch and habilitate the command revolve. We're selecting the revolution axis and the geometry. We're almost done here. As usual, change its material to carbon steel on the Color and Materials tab. Another part is done here. Let's move on to the third and last part of our clamp, the handle's head. So start with a new part and add a circle with a radius of 6 millimeters. Then we'll habilitate the extrude tool to create a part with 6 millimeters of length. Now habilitate the hole tool and select the countersink option. On the diameter tab, add the value of 8 millimeters, angle of 45 degrees, and 6 millimeters of length. To finish it, on diameter 2, add 5 millimeters. That being done, click on OK. Select the operation start face and the center of the face on OSNAP. Now we'll create its chamfers, selecting the chamfer tool. Select its second option and input the values of 1 millimeter and 45 degrees. All you need to do is select the edges that the operation will be applied to and apply it. To finish the last part, change its material to carbon steel on the Color and Material tab. And now we have a complete clamp set. Enjoy! Well guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.